Let's begin with the unboxing of the heavy-duty 2-jaw puller. Inside the package, you will find 4 main components. The puller body, forcing screw, and the 2 puller jaws, solid, durable, and designed for situations where real power is required. Assembly starts with the main body. Position it so that the locking point faces upward. This ensures the correct orientation from the very beginning. Next, install the forcing screw into place. In this configuration, the puller is ready to remove outer diameter bearings. When you flip the assembly over, the same tool can be used to remove large inner diameter bearings. 1 tool, 2 applications. This makes your work more efficient. To operate the puller, you will need either an electric impact wrench or a heavy-duty ratchet wrench. Choose the appropriate tool depending on the required torque and working conditions. At this stage, the brake caliper and brake disc have already been removed. Now we will use the puller together with a 27mm socket. Adjust the width of the puller jaws to ensure a secure grip on the component. Once everything is properly aligned, begin applying force steadily. If needed, a ratchet wrench can also be used to remove the CV axle. The CV axle we just removed was extracted using internal pulling. This shows that the puller works for both applications. When the puller jaws are installed in the reverse orientation, they grip the inner bore. Always choose the configuration that best suits your specific task. This heavy-duty 2-jaw puller combines strength, versatility, and reliability. A dependable solution for demanding professional use.